So you want to learn how to write sales copy for beginners? Well, then you gotta watch this video. And to be honest with you, I had a big, long webinar style learning video planned for this, but I kind of was looking at it and I was like, this is pretty cheesy. Forget it. I'm trashing it. I'm just gonna wing it and get real with you. I am by no means an expert copywriter, but I am using a little tool that basically helps me create amazing sales copy. And on some of my sales pages, I'm even converting upwards of 40%, which is pretty high for industry standards. And so yeah, let's just jump right into it. I'll probably just flip around my screen here so you can see. So yeah, basically this is it. It's called FUNNELSCRIPTS, and you know, you just pay one time and you have it for a whole year. But basically what I do is, depending on what part of my sales page I want to create sales copy for, I just come in here and I just check, you know, what am I going to use. So first of all, you kind of need to figure out like what exactly is your sales page, right? So let's say, for example, I am trying to create this landing page here. Okay, so I've got, you know, this is, let's say I'm actually selling like a software. So I'm just using this as a template. So I would obviously need to create a new headline here. I would need to create a video sales letter here. And then I would need to get a good call to action, right? So I will just go back to my FUNNELSCRIPTS account, and if I just search, I can search for VSL, video sales letter. Okay, and you'll see inside here there's extended demos as well. And so what it is the guy who created this software, his name is Jim Edwards, and he's like he's a copywriter for like, I don't know, like 20 plus years. And so basically this guy, he's made like even all these trainings for you. So if you come in here and you're not sure if you should use it, you can just...
Hey everybody, and welcome to today's FUNNELSCRIPT training. Today we're going
Let's turn off my music here.
The new VSL Wizard. We're going to do the demo webinar. And this software is exclusively for FUNNELSCRIPT subscribers.
So you see, you come in here and you'll get not only training on each one of these elements, but you have a specific script for each one as well. So like I could come in here and get my $1 million headline. I can do my video sales letter script. Let me know in the comments below what type of sales page or sales element do you need a sales script for. And even if you do watch, because this funnel that I just showed you, that's one that Russell did with Jim, where they use FUNNELSCRIPTS to build all the sales copy for a funnel, like in, I think they do it in like 30 minutes or something like that. They just build it all out. And so if you see this video too, he's literally just copying the script.
Hey, my name is Dr. Steve Size, founder of CoffeeAndRich.com, and I've got a free all-natural coffee sweetener supplement for you called Coffee and Rich. It's going to help you specifically with sweeten your coffee and improve your health at the same time. It's going to be amazing.
So you see, they just literally follow the script, but like it's super common style of sales, especially for online. So this is exactly what you need, especially if you're a beginner, because you can literally just follow all of these scripts, right? So the other thing that they had in there was a call to action. So I'll see if I can find call to action. Yeah, so you got your call to action script there. He'll tell you exactly if you should use this script or not.
Hey Jim,
Whoops.
Edwards here. Welcome back to another FUNNELSCRIPTS demo. And in this one, we're going to be going over the call to action script. Now, just like the headline, every single thing you do needs to have, virtually, needs to have a call to action. You've got to tell people what to do next, whether it's to click, whether it's to buy, whether
Okay, so the other thing that Jim's tells you when you come in here is literally 80% of sales copy is one, it's only three things. One, headline, two, call to action, and three, bullets. And they have as well bullets in here. Magic bullet script.
Here with a script straight out of the original classic .com secrets. If you turn to page 212, that's where we're going to learn about the magic bullet script. And the magic bullet script is one of the most effective things you can do to remove the risk and get people to buy from you.
So believe it or not, it really is just this simple as to following a couple of scripts. Honestly, I don't know why you would want to study sales copy for years and years when there's already been tons of people doing it for years, and they are basically handing you their templates for things that they know that work. And so as a beginner, this is how I would write sales copy as a beginner. I mean, I'm a beginner too. Like maybe I'm just slightly past a beginner, but I'm not an expert whatsoever. And if I can make sales pages that convert over 10%, you can as well. So go ahead and in the description below, you can grab like a free trial if you just want to test out the headline script. And then otherwise, you just go to FUNNELSCRIPTS and check it out. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.